Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of HA Tunnel Plus and show you how to set up all the protocols for custom settings. If you're looking to enhance your VPN experience, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Now let's get started. Step 1. Download and install. The first step is to download and install HA Tunnel Plus from your mobile app store. This app will be your gateway to a more customizable VPN experience. Step 2. Launch the app. Once you've successfully installed the app, go ahead and launch it. You'll find yourself on the home screen, ready to explore the various settings. Step 3. Custom settings. To set up custom settings, navigate to the connection mode option. Click on the radio button to proceed further. Step 4. Explore protocols. Now it's time to explore the array of protocols at your disposal. Click on the downward arrowhead icon to reveal a list of available protocols. You'll find options like TCP mode, HTTP mode, TLS mode, and more. Step 5. Setting up TCP mode. Let's say you want to use TCP mode. Simply select TCP mode from the list and then paste a valid payload into the provided box. This will ensure a smooth and secure connection. Step 6. Configuring HTTP mode. For those interested in HTTP mode, enter a valid HTTP host address. This will be crucial for ensuring a reliable connection in this mode. Step 7. Opting for TLS mode. If TLS mode is your preferred choice, insert a valid SNI, server name indication host, into the designated box. This will help establish a secure and encrypted connection. Step 8. Starting the connection. With your chosen protocol and settings in place, it's time to initiate the connection. Click on the Start button, and HA Tunnel Plus will work its magic, providing you with a seamless VPN experience. Conclusion. And there you have it. You've successfully set up all the protocols in HA Tunnel Plus for custom settings. Now you can enjoy a personalized and secure VPN experience tailored to your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and stay connected.